Multifunction devices. Globally, many consumers are narrowing their technology interest to those devices that serve multiple functions. Currently, 4 product categories seem to be the main focus of consumers globally: smartphones, tablets, PCs, and high-definition TVs or HDTVs. If you notice, all these products are capable of carrying out multiple functions. Meanwhile, single-function or single-use devices like MP3 players, DVD players, and digital photo cameras are seeing decreasing sales and interest in the market. The reason for this is straightforward. Think about it. Why would you get an MP3 player when you can play music on your smartphone? Why would you buy a camera when you can take equally good pictures on your phone? This phenomenon is known as device convergence, where one device could potentially serve the majority of your needs. This is why multifunctional devices will continue to see a growing trend in the coming years, while single-function devices will see a decreasing trend. Platforms or operating systems. Most of us are aware of the operating system we have on our computers, such as Windows or Mac. Similarly, mobile phones also run on different operating systems like Android, iOS, Windows, or BlackBerry OS. As you may have noticed, the majority of smartphones available today look very similar, with sleek displays and processing power delivered through hardware that is superior to some of the computers we've used in the last decade. In this environment, the drive for innovative services and user experiences appear to be more compelling than loyalty to any particular platform in the market today. Next time you argue with your friends stating you have the best OS, well, don't be so sure. You never know. Things could change quite fast. As of 2013, Apple has released its 7th version of its iOS operating system, and Google is now on its 11th version of the Android system. Integrated home systems. In the smart home of the future, there will be complete connectivity embedded in virtually all household devices. Imagine leaving for work and monitoring all your home functions on your mobile phone. You can check if the TV is left on, switch on your AC before you get home, and manage your power consumption through a home energy management application. Entertainment and home security features will also be integrated into these systems. Home builders in developed countries say smart home technology is one of the most commonly requested amenities among clients and developers. In India, a number of high-end hotels and homes already utilize this technology, where you can control a number of functions through a tablet application. Smart homes are powered by integrated home systems, electronic products that are networked together and connected to the rest of the world via the internet or wireless technology. Players in this new market include companies that provide connectivity within the home, energy management companies, appliance manufacturers, data management platforms, and telecom operators.